Dear students, today we are going to study how to construct a pie diagram.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Maths Lab. As you all know that we have started the chapter data handling. In this chapter till now we have studied about bar graph, double bar graph, histogram, and now we are going to start pie chart with the help of an activity. Now let's start the pie chart. See, as you all know that for the pie chart or any of the graph, we need some information, we need some data. See this, now we have taken the some favorite colors are chosen by the number of people. See the blue color I have taken here. Blue color is liked by 18 people. Green color is liked by 9 people. And red color is liked by 6 people. Yellow color is liked by 3 people. So now the total strength is number of people is 36. These are the total number of people and different colors are liked by some people. Now we are taking blue color that is liked by 18 people. We have to show the given information in a pie chart. To show that information in a pie chart, as we all know that pie chart is also known as circle graph, so we need to draw a circle. But before showing it into a circle, what we need to do, we have to find out the central angle. Say this, these are the favorite colors of some people, like we have already taken in the previous one. See blue color that is liked by 18 people. Now we have to find out, as we have to draw this circle, draw the pie chart in a circle, so we should know about the central angle. For finding out the central angle, what we have to find out, first we have to find out the fraction. See the 18 people, they like blue color, so first we have to write the fraction, the number of people upon total number of people. See 18 upon 36, that is the total strength, multiply by 360. Why we are multiplying here by 360? Because 360 is the total angle of a circle, the sum of all the angles. So that is one circle, so complete circle, complete center is also 360 degrees. So that is why we are multiplying here by 360. So by solving this, we will get the angle 180 degree. So next one we have green color is liked by 9 people. So first we can find out the fraction, 9 upon 36 multiply by the complete angle, that is 360 degree. 9 upon 36 into 360. After solving this, we'll get the angle 90 degree. The next color red, that is liked by 6 people. So we can find out the central angle by putting it 6 upon 36 into 360 degree. We are multiplying this by the complete angle, so it will give the result 60 degree only. So now yellow color is liked by 3 people, so we can find out the central angle again, 3 upon 36 multiply by the complete angle, it will give the result 30 degree. Now we have found the angles, different angles of different colors. See 180, the angle 180 degree, that represents blue color, 90 degree green color. So we are going to start it with the help of a circle. See this, first we have to draw the circle. So you can take the circle of any radii, and this is the center point. Take the center and draw the angle of 180 degree. First we have to mark here, that is 180 degree. Draw a line. See this. As we all know that complete angle is 360 degrees. So semicircle that will show 180 degree. This line we have drawn over here. So this is 180 degree. So this is blue color. Fine. Now this line we have drawn after that. So this will be the base now. Take this line as a base and draw an angle of 90 degree. Mark it here 90 degree. Draw a line of 90 degree. Say this. From the same center, we'll join it. This will give the result 90 degree. So, angle 90 degree is for color green. So, we can write here green. Now, take this 90 degree angle, the line of 90 degree as a base. So, we'll put the protractor over here and mark it the next angle, that is 60 degree, which we have to show for the red color, that is 90 degree. Mark it over here and join it from the center point. This will give the result 60 degree. You can write it here. Color choice, this is red. Now the next one is, take this line of 60 degree as a base, put the protractor over here, and definitely see this is automatically it will be coming on 30 degree. So the next part, the leftover portion, that is 30 degree only, and it is representing the color choice, that was yellow. This is the pie chart which you have drawn. I hope you all have enjoyed the activity and you can do it. Thank you so much.
So students, I hope you all have understood how to draw pie chart. So there is a small assignment based on it. Please try to solve it. So students, with this we have completed our chapter, and also we have completed second unit test portion. Students, please study well for exam. Study whatever I have taught. Refer all the videos and then solve all the assignments question which I have given in LMS. The exercise which I have not solved is being cancelled. Refer only my videos and solve the assignments. Thank you and all the very best for the exam. Do well.